Hey friends, it's Angeline here. This week's video is going to be a special one because we have a special stamp set dedicated towards those who are impacted in the Australian wildfires. So half of the proceeds will be going towards this cause, and this set is called the Quality Friends. It is so cute. I've also stamped and fussy cut all the leaves and the little birds there to layer up on my card. I've also adhered some pink and blue watercolored pattern paper by Unity Stamp on my card base. I've also grabbed the My Favorite Things Joyful Wreath die here and die cut two of those from some white cardstock. So first up, I'm going to add some acrylic gesso to my pattern paper here and just grabbing a brush. I'm just giving a whitewash here to the pattern paper so that the pattern will not be too much and that the focal point will be the koala bears. So I'm putting that aside to dry first, and I am moving on to the wreaths that I have already die cut, and I'm grabbing some Altenew watercolor here to color in the wreaths. So I wanted to coordinate the colors according to the pattern paper that I have. So I'm sticking to 3 colors only, which is the pink, blue, and the combination of that is the purple. So if you're not too sure on what colors to use, always stick to the minimal colors so that you do not create matte or brownish colors in your combination, and just follow the color wheel. Or you can always take my guide and just follow the pattern paper colors and you will not go wrong. So it's time for the fun part, which is the assembly of the card. I'm going to layer the wreaths and all the stamp elements together, and I'm adhering it to my card using some tacky glue by Simon Says Stamp. This glue is kind of cool because it stays wet for a while, so it allows you to layer. You will see it very soon on what I am talking about. So here I'm just adding the koala behind the wreaths. So if you have added some permanent adhesive, you will not be able to do this because the glue is still kind of a bit wet. You're able to lift up the layers and stick the elements behind one another. So I'm just grabbing the stamped images here, which I've already fussy cut, and just adding to the card. Next, I'm grabbing the sentiment from the Cuddlebutt Koala stamp set, which I think fits perfectly for this card. And finally, I am adding the little birdies that also come in the Quality Friends stamp set. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique today, and thank you for helping for the Australian wildfires cause. Thanks for watching. Bye!